Your heart, kind of an important organ, right? Well, let me throw a statistic at you that just might blow you away. Increasing insulin sensitivity, which is good, right, can reduce your risk of heart disease by 93%. So if you'll allow me, I'd like to get on my soapbox just for a minute here. But I have a question for you. If excessive damage to the arteries from a poor lifestyle occurs, making it necessary for the body to distribute extra cholesterol through the bloodstream to repair these arteries, does it seem very wise to lower the cholesterol artificially with a drug and forget about why it's elevated in the first place? Wouldn't it seem smarter to just reduce the need for the extra cholesterol, which is the poor lifestyle causing the damage? Now, the body is incredibly smart, and the increase in cholesterol and clotting factors in the form of white blood cells is actually a very intelligent response to repairing arterial damage. Now, it doesn't matter what drug you're taking for this condition. If you don't escape the unhealthy lifestyle, then guess what? It's over. Sure, you can take a drug to lower cholesterol. You can take a drug to lower heart rate and blood pressure in the form of a beta blocker, and you can take a drug to thin the blood and a drug to lower blood sugar. You can be a part of a study that actually proves that by taking this cholesterol drug, your cholesterol indeed drops. However, you will never find a study that says it makes you healthier or increases your lifespan. Now, why can't you find a study showing these pharmaceutical drugs increases lifespan and health? Because they don't exist. Harmful lifestyle factors are the #1 contribution to the development of cardiovascular disease, which is a leading cause of death worldwide. Traditional approaches of treatment have been proven ineffective in most people. However, intermittent fasting has been shown to have a positive impact on heart health and in the prevention of such risk factors, and has been shown effective against inflammation and oxidative stress, resulting in the prevention and the reversal of damaged arteries. If you're looking for a lifestyle intervention that has researched and shown undeniable results for the prevention of heart disease, then you need to look no further than intermittent fasting.